Hi, everyone, and welcome to our fifth MuleSoft for Agentforce MuleSoft Ambassador video. Today, I have the immense pleasure of speaking with Karim, who has been a MuleSoft Ambassador since last year. He is very well known in the API, integration, automation world. So welcome, Karim, if you wouldn't mind introducing yourself.
Thank you, Sabrina. So I am Karim Djjafar, I'm a senior MuleSoft architect and ambassador with more than 10 years of consulting around MuleSoft and API design integration, and more than 20 years of experience on Java development. I am passionate of new technology, specifically an AI field, and training and author of many books on Java. If you want, you can join me on Medium to read one of my articles around MuleSoft and stuff.
Amazing. Yes, Medium is a great place to find you and your content as well. So what I'm really excited to talk to you today about, Karim, is what excites you about the future of MuleSoft for Agentforce. You've been in this ecosystem for so long. You've seen so many technologies change. What is it about this new push for agents that excites you?
Thank you, Sabrina. This is an exciting question and big question. I think that the meeting of the two worlds, the world of API with the endpoint ecosystem and Salesforce with the CRM side, and the world of AI can open a world of infinite possibility by combining the power of design and implementation of API with MuleSoft. In fact, the power of AI combined with MuleSoft open up many areas and perspective for API development and digitalization, specifically in my field, and I see that in my daily experience. Service solution architect and business expert in various areas of industry and service. This evolution opened up a world of possibility, enabling business to provide faster, be more efficient, and personalized service, specifically with the emergence of autonomous agents, such as those powered by Salesforce Agentforce. And I think that this agent can handle more complex tasks, learn and adapt faster, and even proactively address customer needs. This is my point of view of this side.
I love that. And I love how you mentioned that it's just the endless world of possibilities and all of these future use cases that our customers could implement. So it's a perfect segue into my next question, which what are some of these future use cases and possibilities you hope to see for Agentforce and MuleSoft working together?
So we have many exciting new capability in the horizon, specifically with Agentforce 2.0, which will simplify the creation of low-code workflow across systems and allowing developer and design architect to leverage pre-built connector to quickly create multi-system workflow. This is one side of this feature. We can integrate MuleSoft API with Agentforce and leverage capability in the MuleSoft and Salesforce. Also, we can create agent using Agent Studio and the reference in our MuleSoft flow. This is the beauty of the integration of the two worlds. So the future is beginning now, and it promises to be exciting because it will revolutionize the way we work every day, thanks to agent solution, including, of course, Agentforce and MuleSoft.
I love that. And this revolutionizing how we work, I think it really comes down to what are these types of agents that are built and how do they work with all of the interconnecting systems, which is my next question, which is if you could build any agent with Agentforce and MuleSoft, what would it be and why?
So maybe I can take an example with my current experience now.
Yes.
We are currently considering a scenario with one of our big governmental client, customs. I don't give the name of the country because it's very sensitive. That will combine the integration of API with the power of AI offered by Agentforce in the field of specifically the decision support, particularly in the sensitive area of investigation, into the flow of goods and the management of declaration on the custom fields. This use case specifically is focused on data authentication and fraud detection, where an agent with Agentforce combined with MuleSoft IDP for managing custom document should play a key role in the fight against fraud, which is a real concern in the management of custom system. This is one example where currently Agentforce with MuleSoft can be a huge and big ecosystem.
I love that. And I love how it's a very applicable use case, right? And by building this agent, you're also working with automation tools and looking at this idea of APIs and extending capabilities with MuleSoft. One question that I've been throwing out there to our ambassadors recently is, with MuleSoft and coming from your Java background, there's this push for the reuse of APIs. How do you see the benefits of reusing APIs enhancing customers' ability to implement Agentforce faster?
So the reuse is a better concern in API development, using connector, flow, and so on. And of course, using some agent that will, you have an example with Einstein, which is one of the big assistant in the world of AI in MuleSoft development. Already, until now, we have Einstein with the Code Builder, which is integrated, which can help a lot to design some flow and integrate some connector and help a developer and architect to design a more efficient flow. So this is a merge of the two worlds that, as I said before, can give a major opportunity for this development and area of expertise.
I love that. And then my last question for you today is, as we're looking at companies and customers implementing all of these different agents, there's this idea that agentic architecture will start to arise and will be really important as this push towards Agentforce, MuleSoft, and agents in general comes around. What would you say in your ideal world would this agentic architecture look like?
Okay, so we have an ecosystem. Anypoint is an ecosystem by its own. Okay, so you have different connectors, as I said before, flow and so on. An agent in this field of area of expertise. You have what is named in the field LLM, which is the large language model in the IA field, which can help a business analyst, business expert to design their model. So we can converge the two worlds because we can design using this LLM specifically in a business area, an LLM dedicated for business analysts in the area of insurance company, in the area of the custom company. So it opens a new possibility in our daily design of our API.
Yes, I love that. It's, again, all those possibilities that we're going to start seeing in the future. Well, thank you, Karim, so much for your time today. For those of you watching, you can find Karim in the MuleSoft community Slack workspace. You can find him on Medium, on another integration blog, as well as his own blog, and all over LinkedIn. Thank you so much, Karim, for joining us.
Thank you, Sabrina. It's a pleasure.